Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Now today, here on Barbeque Blvd, it's an exciting day. I was sitting in my office the other day, got a knock at the door, and a grill showed up. It's a fantastic day when a grill shows up, right? Well, this wasn't an ordinary grill. This was the boss. We're talking about the El Patron from Lonestargrillz. Y'all ready? Let's go check it out. All right, so as I said, a grill showed up on Barbeque Blvd, guys, and it was from Lonestargrillz. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know I rock with Lonestargrillz. Chris makes some fantastic products over there, and I was fortunate enough to get my hands on this El Patron. Now, this El Patron showed up. It was delivered well. It was crated well. As always, Chris always does a fantastic job making sure that these units are securely crated so they're not shifting around during transit. And man, we got this thing out of the crate and we got it put in place over here on the boulevard. So let's take a look. All right, so here's our look at our El Patron in place here. And as you can see, it's a pretty sturdy looking unit. Looks really sleek and good, and really looks good sitting next to the pellet cooker, being it's the same brand and they have the same kind of lines on it. So it looks really good. So we're just going to take a look at it here. Now we've got a side shelf here that we can use for, you know, putting things on or, you know, what have you. And we've got a handle that helps us to move this unit around. We do have a rotisserie. I don't have the motor on here right now, but we do have a rotisserie unit that's going to go on here. And it's a pretty strong rotisserie motor, as a matter of fact. Right here is where you've got your little hole here where you can, your rotisserie will go through here. Or if you're not using a rotisserie, if you have a wired thermometer system, you can put the wires through here. Obviously, you can cover it down when you're not in use to keep the heat and smoke in. And we've got our valve here, or our dampener for opening our exhaust. We've got one on this side and we've got one on the other side as well. So dual dampers there for exhaust to help control that temperature. Moving down to the bottom here, we've got our 5-inch casters here. These two actually swivel. The other two on the other end are fixed. So you do all your steering, obviously, on this side where you've got the handle. Now here is our control system for our Firebox. You can actually use either the handle here to slide open your vent to have your air intake there, or you can keep that closed or open if you decide, and you can use the door. You can adjust to your notch system there to your desired you know, opening here for where you want this. So you can help, it helps you to dial in those temperatures really well. So pretty good plus there. Now moving over to the other side here, we've got a wheel here, and this wheel is going to be for opening, or I'm sorry, raising or lowering your grate in the inside. We'll get to that here in a little bit. And we've got the brake system here for that system to lift up and down. Again, here's your other exhaust here. As we said, we got two, one on this side, one on the other. Again, this is going to be your hole for where your spit's going to come through when you're using your rotisserie, and or use it for probes if you like, and obviously close it down when you're not cooking. Got our nice little Lone Star badging right here. Looks really good. And so overall, a really good looking unit here. You've got your tell true gauge here, and we've got our pizza door here, so you can open up your or set it up to run your pizzas. You can access your pizza door right here. So really cool looking unit, guys. Okay, so now we're going to open it up, take a look, see. Now, as you can see, we do have our second grate here, half shelf, which is an upgrade option that is on this unit. And so you've got that expanded metal right there. You've got your square bar racks here, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those units in there. So pretty solid cooking base there, or cooking area. And it just looks really good in here. All right, so we're gonna open up our firebox here at the bottom, and you can see we do have fire brick on the bottom of the unit. You can actually build your fire there if you decide you want to, or you can build it up here. You know, this is your actual diffuser type deal if you want to cook indirect. Now I'll lower this down here. All right, so we got that down to the bottom now, and you've got these little racks here that you can move around, and you'd either make it a solid base there to make it a good diffuser for if you want to cook indirectly, or you can open it up if you want to cook a direct heat fire. Obviously, again, you can raise it up if you're wanting to grill something hot and fast here, like steaks or what have you. So just an all around really cool looking unit, guys. So this is our first look at the El Patron from Lonestargrillz. Fantastic unit, and definitely make sure you get in contact with Chris over at Lonestargrillz if you decide you want to pick up one of these units. Now I'll make sure I'll put the information for Lonestargrillz down in the description box, so please make sure you check that out.